Good evening guys, welcome back to the channel and part 2 of my Lego-ish Titanic series of videos. In the last video you'll see that I showed you this Oxford set, which is built out of bricks which are completely compatible with Lego and almost an exact copy of Lego bricks. But I now want to talk to you about this. This is a set which I bought off eBay and it was extremely cheap. I ain't looked since if they're still available, but if they are, it's something I would definitely recommend. I think they're officially, I've seen somewhere that they're called Nano Bricks, and they're basically, as you can see, very similar to Lego, but just massively smaller. This little mini Titanic I built using some spare parts which were left over from the main set. I'll just show you, these are the, if I just push this out of the way 1 second, this is the instruction manual for it. It came, well, it's obviously Chinese manufactured. There is a QR code there if you wanted to do a screen grab and then scan the QR code, or maybe scan the QR code off your computer if you're watching it on a computer. That'll give you more information. It's white as a diamond, it says there. Instruction diamond blocks, cartoon doll series, whatever that is supposed to mean. But anyway, this is the instruction manual for building this set. And as you can see, a lot of the pieces are very similar in design to Lego, but they are massively smaller. And when I say massively smaller, I'll show you. Here is an example. Look at that in the palm of my hand, on my fingers, just how tiny that is next to my thumbnail. Teeny tiny little bricks. I'll show you one of the individual bricks just to show you how little they are. So that is a 1x1 brick. Look how teeny tiny that is in my hand. If you don't like things which are fiddly, do not buy this set. I'll just show you, this is how it came. It came in this brown box, and I've got all these spare bits, absolutely loads of spare pieces which I could use for building other things. Loads of spares, hundreds of spares. And the instruction manual takes some doing. It is definitely something which, you know, you can't build in a couple of hours. It takes ages, absolutely ages, hours and hours and hours of build time. One thing I have even considered is having a go at building this using full-size Lego bricks. So instead of using these little small ones that come with the set, using ones of the equivalent dimension but out of Lego. But it would be absolutely massive. It would be huge, because you imagine how big this set is anyway. If you used full-size Lego, it'd be huge. It'd be way bigger than the proper official Lego Titanic that's due out soon. But I wanted to show it you, and I'll just show you this little teeny tiny one. So as I say, I built this using spare bricks that were left over from the set, and I think it looks kind of cool. It looks kind of sweet, kind of cute. So there you go, guys. I wanted to show you these two. The Oxford Titanic, which is using bricks which are Lego scale, and this one using the little teeny tiny bricks. So if you want a model Titanic and you want the enjoyment of building one, you don't have to spend an absolute fortune, because I think that this one from memory was something ridiculous like £10. It was ridiculously cheap. And one of the main things I love about it is the fact that you've got the ice, you've got the iceberg, you've got the other bits of ice floating, you've got the completely see-through bases which obviously represent the sea, as well as obviously the ship with all the windows and portals and things. It might not be 100% accurate, but you get the idea. You know, it looks like the Titanic. It doesn't actually officially say anywhere on the instructions that it is the Titanic, but there is obviously a picture there which is the Titanic. It doesn't actually say anywhere on it that it's the Titanic, but it's obvious that that is what it is designed to represent. And the overall design, you can tell that that is what it's meant to be. So, and the fact that it's got the ice and the iceberg, again, just shows that that is what it's designed to be. It's designed to be the Titanic. So, there we go, guys. What I'll try and do is find an eBay link to somewhere where you can buy this particular set, because, as I say, it's a build that's very, very fun. It does take absolutely ages to do. It is very, very fiddly because, I mean, again, just look how tiny these pieces are. That's my fingernail. Thankfully it's clean. But you can see how tiny the pieces are. And it's, yeah, it's something that's well worth buying if you can get hold of it. So, thanks a lot again, guys, for watching, and I shall see you next time. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and that way you'll not miss any future videos. Until next time, thanks guys, bye.